Meaning of halal.
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 Halal. Halal is an Arabic term that means permissible or lawful under Islamic dietary laws. It refers to food products that are prepared and consumed in accordance with Islamic teachings, which dictate what is suitable for consumption. Halal products are free from pork, alcohol, and certain other ingredients that are considered impure. Halal is important to Muslims who want to eat food that aligns with their religious beliefs. Additionally, halal certification is recognized internationally, making it valuable for food producers who want to expand their market share.